welcome you watching dbmnTv. This is Monalisa Rumbai, bring to the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. African swine fever devours 22 pigs in Tesau, Northern. Trade show at polo grounds lures people all over the state. Two heads to meet and control the tension harbored between two districts. And heavy traffic jam in Mairang prompts residents to create solutions. And now the news in detail. After the African swine fever hit Tesau Northern, infecting 22 pigs belonging to a breeder from the area, the district magistrate of West Khasi Hills district imposed the 144 CRPC in Tesau in order to control the spread of the African swine fever. According to the insights from Dr. P. Solang, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Officer of Northern, he informed that so far there are 22 pigs in total infected and died by the effects of the flu, and these pigs belonged to only one person. He also assured the people to remain calm, and the department will make an effort to visit the people of the region and enlighten them on the symptoms, the effects and prevention against it. All of this will be done in order to ensure the safety in and around the infected area.
Katkum ga official report baga bangila le te don tangui breu haduk mentau wala yo kani ka ASF bala report but bangila le interview o bangila le postmortem la yo report te tangui breu hapok tisau bang perteng jung de sakius tempun te kumar ko arteli ai kisnyang gilayau haduk mentah katung jintip jongi de arku arteli hi tak senyang ki balayo but arku arteli ki layap jong tau ju hi wona tau ju hi nong ra in pelong no ka awareness program sipit sambaji me ha Shillong ti sao to kumno bani contain ne kumno bani ada ya jing sapriang kan jong kan ki jipang.
The Ministry of Rural Development organized the 4th Meghalaya Saras Ajivika, which was began from 22nd of May and will last till the 31st of May at 2nd Ground Polo Shillong. Very small-scale entrepreneurs from rural areas have come up from all the corners of NER, Northeastern region, to showcase and also send their handmade and homemade products, which includes fruit wine, handmade furnitures, wooden idols, bag and t-shirts, portraits and paintings, and many more valuable products.
You can still do the business, okay? For products which are not registered in GST portal, those products which are not listed in GST portal, still you can do the business with those products also, okay? Now later on you feel that these 5 products which we have listed in GST portal, the same state. अगर आप मेघालय से एक ही मेघालय में ही कोई कंज्यूमर को बेच रहे हो तो you will have to pay CGST and SGST. Okay, CGST means Central Goods and Services Tax, SGST means State Goods and Services Tax. CGST will go to Government of India and SGST will go to government. And एक चीज याद रखिए, you will be liable to pay GST from the date of GST registration. You will be liable to pay GST from the date of GST registration. I have taken GST.
वीडियो काट करके बनाते हैं।
आप किसी को अगर बिल दोगे, you will have to give a GST bill. ठीक है? मान लो कि इंडिया सेलिंग मनी when I am doing business, I can just open a store and do business and will not have any tax payments in the GST is the indirect tax and nobody is exempt. Everybody has to pay GST. Nobody is exempt from GST. Everybody will pay GST. Now in this days when I am doing business, back of our mind there should be from the government and I am thinking that they have to be
meeting
do business without paying GST. In fact,
short interview
Hello sir. So I recommend some company for giving a good quality and everything. Like you see here, यहाँ पे एक पिक्चर बन रहा है और खास करके मतलब जो भी काम है सब मशीन कर रहा है, बस हमें बैठ के देखना है कि हाँ जो काम हो रहा है वो सही हो रही है। और देख सकते हैं कि धागा टूट चुका है यहाँ पे। सो इफ़ एनी प्रॉब्लम, धागा टूट जाएगा यहाँ से, इसको काट के मुझे चेंज करना है।
These are all handmade. These are from waste product, and these are key ring, which I made with my crochet. I made all these Christmas ornaments, and even the car ornaments, and all these I made by my own hand. And these are lamps. These are all handmade. These are candle. These are scented candle which we made with handmade only. That's all.
Gili-gili produk kita ngapain yang isnahi yang dan nila yang kata originally organic 100% organic klaim kule bisa betul era ta ni use strawberry mengiara bisa super na mau di strawberry nila rupan sina tapi ni kita si strawberry wine Institute of Hotel Management on the various valuation products
baru ngadai komina nongrum masyo ngasa hamsawan ngadai na PSSG umpo dia buat ngadai nak nangyaikan itu ngawan hangnya panwan syong ya kaneka saras melamo kabalong hapulo na diba kan arpo tarik hadu lai puway tarik te ngawan ra ya kini candy wine juice chips bati asyar bati powder Dia ngakerpat bakin yawan mo banyawan pek.
After the meeting between two district authorities of Karbi Anglong and Jaintia Hills was held in order to control the tension between the two parties, adding gravity to the efforts, the Chief Minister of Assam, Himanta Biswa Sarma, and the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, met in a meeting at Guwahati to discuss the ways and means to retain the peace between the two and therefore agreed to visit the tension places in West Jaintia Hills and Karbi Anglong and examine the situation. Speaking to the media persons, the leaders informed that solving the border arrangement will continue in 6 areas bordering Assam and Meghalaya.
Himanta Biswa Sarma ji, and also with the full support of Government of India, we are sure that we will be able to move forward in this phase also. Things are complicated, but we believe that where there is a will, there is a way, and we will find a way forward. The trust and the friendship that we have had will continue to guide us to ensure that we are able to resolve these areas of differences which are very critical to be resolved for the future. At the same time, we have also asked the different departments, the Survey of India, to continue with the survey work that is going on in the first 6 areas of differences. And we have asked them to discuss with different officials and the public at the grassroots level to ensure that we take everybody into confidence and we are able to finish the survey work also for the first 6 areas of differences at the earliest. So with these few words, I once again, on behalf of the government of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya, would like to thank Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and his government for having hosted this meeting.
Any stipulated time frame that both the government has agreed on?
Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and his colleagues for having hosted this very, very important and crucial meeting. We have attended this meeting along with the different chairmen of the different regional committees, and as has been mentioned already by the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, that this is the beginning of the process to find a solution to the 6 areas of differences which are left between Assam and the state of Meghalaya. As mentioned in the meeting today, we went through all the details and all the different reports and different discussions took place. And we have asked now the regional committees to now start the process of fact-finding, going into the details, discussions with stakeholders, and the same process which was followed in the previous phase. The regional committees will go through that. We'll have multiple meetings, and as I said, we'll consult with multiple stakeholders, and we hope that we'll be able to get reports very soon. In some areas it may be faster, some areas may take a bit more time. And during that process and procedure, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be visiting the different areas, especially in the areas bordering Karbi Along and West Jaintia Hills.
Look, as Honorable CM Meghalaya has said, that this 6 area is little bit complicated in nature. So putting a time frame is probably not a very fair idea. But what we have agreed today, that we will again meet in the month of July to review the progress of the work done by our regional committees. So there will be some area where we can arrive at settlement earlier, some area it will take time. So in this meeting today, we have consciously decided not to put any time frame before us, but we have decided to meet again in the month of July.
How complicated are the remaining 6 distribution sites in comparison to the previous 6 months?
You see, out of these 6 area, we have Lampi and we have also Khanduli Block 1, Block 2, and there people of both sides are emotive. It is not that the temperature is different in both the states. Both the states are emotive about this issue, and in Assam side, the question of autonomous district council also there, where Assam government do not directly have a control over the land. So these areas will be little bit difficult, but as CM Meghalaya said, when there is a will, there will be a way. So we
Growth and development comes with a price. Similarly, Mairang shoots up with rapid growth. However, the presence of excessive number of vehicles led to heavy traffic jam in Mairang, especially in Pindeng Umyong station located in Yeulang state. Speaking to the administrator of Pindeng Umyong, Bornats Imyong, he informed that the residents of Pindeng Umyong and Lumsok Klor, with the assistance of the police, are plotting ways and means to get rid of the heavy traffic jam. One of the initiatives includes imposing fines, maintaining no entry signs in the areas, along with a warning restricting heavy vehicles to pass through Pindeng Umyong from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. and lawbreakers will face the sweet consequence of their actions.
Hari ini kita istiyo beladap ngali ya malam meneng ngali pembelang baik polis nila boy kini signboard no entry angkai ha Lumsok Klor umoleng angkai po jam Thomas bad angkai po blok mga ong mag kili ke bawan na po kithanong khlaw in mut balai Shillong in kapan tangi kitrop mungkin ya na kini ka Mairang bypass mission po highway di bawah na Shillong balai sa klar ya hi na kini ka highway sa rung na kini ka Mairang bypass kini kali ke ba nang ni na po ki bamot nang ni na jiki umolen ro ki bamot bandung sa station itu ro ki hapan wan phai ban ya na kini ka Mairang bypass kali like dom ro ki bamot balai sa Shillong tiktrok hapan ton na tu sa Thomas sa block sa wan sa Mairang bypass kasi nang pergi kali dom sa kapilay niyan may kita pula dan bersih mana bandai sa itu ko sampai wong sampai balai ngim sa balai kita bisa itu dia apa dia isu blok sami isu Mairang bypass itu cepat kita sini mo bypass sini sebab dia hilang hang banwara yang disuk design pula yang cikapnya ha kasinong kata aku sini kini ke Sinong jungi kini ka sor Mairang ba ong mo nadu baglawan kini ka district ka Bakmay ka kelas dang ke Jingkiw sa parang mo haba ibubun kibri kelas dang banwan ba sini sipo ka district headquarter nah ni barhoi ki office sarkar ka dan ni ta ka yo ka hat ka dan ni te ki kalir ki labun palat ka ni ka jok mamta namar ba kibri ulai na ikiw kayo kot mo balik sino le bira kali te kala long kisurok padi gidang ren nang taki ka yang kali iduna ba te kene kala khap ngia hadu kata te kani ji khap ngia na kala jingi kum kisnong le khat ba ngile tho sa sarkar ba ladai kali kia nang ne position ka penjenjar ba kali ka wan ji pai ba bro tingla tho sa sarkar ba kan snano ikne ka Mairang bypass kalau senai ni Mairang bypass ke jemut jengi kalau bagin taibat lut ya bro ki kali he ba kinyai nak ka Mairang bypass ni kini surok bypass bunyi ong hacaka bingrung position kinyai nak ni tiga we ke ba na kini sing le song terkhat lang bat ki polis ba ya kini kitrok baro ke ba de ben lai cek thai nong klau yuan na Shillong ke ba lai cek thai nong klau ke ba hapan rung len bai ka station Pemiyong nang taki kali iwan nak hain kala bandung station Pemiyong kemat inam syasyo mo bat ni kepai ni trok ba ya no nak ni ka Mairang bypass nama nang tai na Lumsok Klor ada pia na Lumsok Klor sayo bat sami po blok benar Lumsok Klor pia nak ni ka Mairang bypass ini saya kelentar san span bitar gitu jenga kam dei ba ka jenga pelat tang san span bitar gitu pa tinela rong po station pe kalong ga jikhamnya namar ka Ketaro kapor jeng itu gi kaliru nomor bakat blok untuk post station. Kabujing ru na betagi weipan. Ke nomor terkadang ki lepen baik bakat kom ba malaks ni naru kapor nyob jim step. Kandai biji menmiat nem sa shu ikitrok benrung leng bak ni ka station penamyong. Baru ikitrok bukti mo ba nem dei su benangwan satu ndai kinjai bena ka ni ka Mairang bypass. Nomor kan pen kloy persup orang petajung pi brak jupor kan penwet ya kaya yang jung bai ba hang tai po station penamyong. Te lada kini kitrok jingi lada ki ang yuan chiuan le se in hap dia perkat ni bende mon kat batbor jadi bulet. Ti cuma juga ya keren nomor kata kalau ba ese kini di kapnya apa station jingi lu kalau ba ni duna kini di parking place. Nimdan kita kayeng kali ke bawah bapaka musim kali jingi kapan yang dia po sulap banyak apa sejar banyak lek jenis tabun yang po sulap. Wer parking jungi ni kita tang kendiat mo tenai kalau kau bengi sungu kalau bagi dan ki pai ba jungi ki ba penkhai ki private parking mungkin kong meri marbaniang nang ta dan jaka po chnong kendiat po madan klub jaka jung kong dari hun ngkhoi ki gadon sakwe ki jaka jung itu ki jat jung kong mistida kong dari lang barwin tu ba yang ki sumo stan ta ni jung kong roitina kong maduna kitu gila kidon kitu Kristan joki kala yarap sibun ti hari ni kisingi kala don to kibe padai kala na penkrek ban bo parking hapo jan jo station ti ngi kraman nak kala plir sakiti ki parking place kan kami harap hi ya ki kali jingi bengirung ha ki parking ban penkrek ro itu kali ki bayang ha ki surok kenapa kan penwet ya ka ya yang barho tu bangala kran sisin kalong ba ni skoban ajung mat ya ka sarkar banang ni khmat mo hai aman lagi jaka ki bala i bagi ki longsor ka sarkar gadi ban thil pa no ki jaka ban yang kali ni parking place amal ra ka thil sarkar dan jinge mo kam dan jinge nei ban up ban chuyo betan lo chnong ban chuyo na pai ba kalong kai ka ba nel da sarkar ka sim khia kan thil pa ki jaka ki ba kluit kum ki jaka wala longsor ai nuksa kum Mairang nong stoin kum ha soiyong ha mo nga mo sunra mak ter kan tiadi jaka ke ban pelong jaka yang gali tese kan sapusuk ikpai ba la shales ni berapa ka sarkar ka develop kala ban develop mo ki jaka ban long ar lai mala hak dak kom khanang ba kan nyam sibun ki kali mo hak ti jaka ba sarkar kala pun khair ba kita ke gede ba don.
The 24th May showcased the essence of unity when hundreds of people from Khasi and Jantia Hills rushed towards the Voice of the People's Party, showing support while it was carrying out its hunger strike on the street. The president of the Voice of the People's Party, Arden Milaba Sayomot, continued his hunger strike along with his party members. Despite the fact that the government did not pay heed to their demands, the party refused to back off. Their spirits were all the more lifted when people from Khasi and Jantia rushed towards him, indicating their support for the cause. Also supporting the party on the same day includes the Confederation of Ribhoi People (CORP) under the leadership of Bandari Rentathiang, President, Pateng Marsing, Working President, Shining Star Kintla, Finance Secretary, along with other members and also supporters and office bearers of VPP.
Confederation of Ribhoi People Songkhya Mangiwan hang ni ban ai ke jingkershan papura ya ka VPP ko ke jelam jeng ba Arden ilong ke balakloi ban IT met ban mensim lada kene ke jiki kadang yaina ngiru na kalang kasang ngim ban se ban mi shkmat ban yetrelang bat ke jelam jeng ba Arden ndrei ke bang sobunang kene kapor ngakentu ya kene ke sarkar baka dei ban simkhya mardor gade ban urlong la ne gade ban krenno ya kena kamat jong resolution policy mendai ban shuken sting dan ban shusngap menti kat kene gijinga kabagi khun samla ge kendo nagar paru ya borok ke MLA Khasi kiba dan hagne government barwat ki bamdan ru hagne government soba bikin ailang gejing trelang kebanang ne shikmat bandawa kowe gesur kowe gejingmut kumba ka VPP klaya shikmat na ka benta kalawe jong kajaj benreu ten nagalang kaseng nginang Yai Krishan nakapor sakapor pada don ginono jingki ngim long gibala kloi ban mi shkhman alor bede kene kabenta nakalang jong seng hi ngilong gibala kloi ban sim ye kene senjam ladaka sarkar kam sim la kitle lan kam sim ye jingki kle ban penulong e kimat.
A situation arose in Bhairambong Ribhoi district, when traders imposed kilo deduction of agricultural products produced by farmers despite the fact that the district council had notified the abortion of kilo deduction. On the 24th of May, a group of farmers under the Hills Farmers Union arrived at the office of the CEM of KHADC, Titos Khan, to seek his help on this imposition of kilo deduction on farmers by traders in Bhoirambong. After the peaceful meeting, speaking to the farmers, they expressed their gratitude towards the CEM and are hopeful that their issues will be resolved. Speaking to the CEM of KHADC, Titos Khan, he mentioned that the district authority will make sure to summon or meet with the traders and order them to stop practicing the act which has been notified to be put to stop.
Office jong CM jong KHADC bakila snow ya ganeka jikarpat jogi bakila ai da jing ujor akabidei bakawai kanong khayi kabala 4 kilo ke marap wad hadin bala permi ke notification nadu khasan tarik jong ubnai me nakaliang jong ka EM jong ka market KHADC gilai keren gilai tai sibun ba kimat akabidei bakani ke jong 4 kilo tingis ngo scam kum kinong rap namar nakaliang jong ka KHADC kayang ba ya kanong rem ba kan persya ba ya ke jong 4 kilo khamtam haborok ki yo ki bahap hapo ke jing pe jing jongo jong ka KHADC te hakabide ba kanika kias ka ba niwan ujor mata kasngi ang isgo komen ba nakaliang jong ka KHADC kala nang ka nakaliang ka jong i MDC but EM jong ka KHADC lali bane keren mane ya kinong khaya po Bhoirambong bat menta kasngi lada khot yaki hakapor arbaji bakinwan bane kendo yo CM khnang ban yo ban pensyai khnang ban yo ban pensyai yaki bat la penting naru ba ya katu ka pisah ka badangsa ba dei jong kinong rap kinong khayi ki di ban seo 100% bat kinom sha 4 kilo kani kalong ka khubor sabar khot ki paranong rap ki jongi ki badan ha ka khasi bajantia ba nakaliang jo kasil nakaliang jo kaseng hil sama inian nginom song thaj menta kin sadang ban mi ki jor namo kunro kin sadang ban mi ki jor na po tersat kin sadang ban mi ki jor na Shillong na po West Khasi bat kumjuru na kithan Jaintia Hills district te ki babun hi menta ki jor ki bami na po umsning bat na po lacharai bat terter kilanang kiu sayo henry kani ka khubor ngi pha si kinong rap banakaliang jo ka Hills sama union ngin nang yai khun bat ngin nang ai ka jingkershani kinong rap ki ba pentip changi hakabedei bat ka jing 4 kilo nakaliang jo ka seng kanum song thaj hoj ngin song thu kan sabun ka jing sha penting ko tempan nakaliang jo kinong khayi bikinum thip ki marap nang ta susu bakin lani bakin penslam ban siu ki mar jo kinong rap henry nakaliang ka jongi ngan ong IP menta kadang dai tang ka jing sedang ka bangi keren ba ka KHADC henry nakaliang jo Hills sama union ngin sa penbor ya u minister jong ka weight and measurement ba uday ban wara ya kaan ka ba strong yede ban ngin ya keren ya ka sarkar ba kadai ban wanra ya kaan ka ban khang sundan ya kani ka jing 4 kilo bat ha ka bide bat ka belru ngila kular ya ka KHADC ka barang sakut ha ka jing sign jong gobernur nakaliang jong ka Hills sama union ngin salik kendo ya gobernur ba uday ban sign bat ba uday ban le kham kloy khnang ba kani ka bill ka bala thau da ka KHADC ha ka bide ban wara ka jing mentoy jong kinong rap nakaliang jong ka KHADC kilo ong ba kani ka bill kan ai khandai 0.5% ka jing mentoy kinong rap tingas ngo ba kani ka bill ka barang sakut menta hapo ka jing pe jing khmi ba jing sign jong gobernur nakaliang jong ka Hills sama union ngin push kani ka bill but immediately ka ban pass now don padai ki badan hapo kinong khayi ki badan hapo Bhoirambong ki basong ha kitu kidukan hapo yo Bhoirambong
ki ot kat no pat chesh
ka jik kilo na ka 10 kilo te ka bamut ada 6 kilo ki ot 10 kilo te ki di using uba kini kinong rap ki jongi ki di saungut kidan ka total jong ka weight ka ba using udan kalong pras pa prapoi kilo bat ki shaot ka jing shaot jong ki kalong prapo pra kilo te lada prapo pra kilo ha ka dor shis pa khandai pausan perkhat mafi ka jing du nong ka jong kinong rap na ka pras pa kilo kalong hadu khanyo hajar tingka khanyo hajar hinyo spa prapusan tingka perkhat mafi te lada ka bamut balare shipau teli ki trok kimi ha ka shisngi na po Bhoirambong bali dia yos ing sabar kinong rap ki IA shitrok ya kinong khayi us ing kata ta ka concern jo ka Hills sama union badalele ro ngimla ban priang ya ka jing 4 kilo ka baknyat ben yo nong bat
Hakaju kapor nakaliang UCEM ka council uba Titos Khan ulaong unhap ban ya kendu bat kinong khayi ban pentikna baka od kilo kam de ban tre kam shu nang ni shakman
gaba nge penbet kerki pat kini ki nong rep ki badai na po ki thain renja bat na ki ki area ki badai jong ka thain ni boy hawe dei bat ki nong rep sing ka complain ka baki ai sangam tarsi ka long ba halor ka jing jong kini ki nong khayi sing ba kidang le ya ketuka od kilo te na kadang kinong rep ki pen ya katu namar bangi la penni ya kan notification na kadang jong council ba kim de shu pan le ka od kilo au be de ba sing ru kam tam haki yo gi ba ha apo ka district council pi kani ka issue od kilo kadai ningkong kasdang be hayudu ngimpat jia kren ni kani ka od kilo haki we pat kiyo ten rede hadien balami ka jing ya kren ka jing ya kendu bat ka hills farmer union bat ki nong khayi bat usi meliam ba ngila sedang manta ban penbenai kani ka notification habaro ka we ka jurisdiction jong ka Khasi Hill Autonomous Council tikani ka notification kadang mi dang haki khatsan tarik te kamut kadang trikam manta dang kum bakhandai singi te ka long ru ka jing sisya babun kinong khayi le si kim pat long aware haki we pat ki yo ya kanika notification ke jungi te na kadang ke jungi ngila simkhia ngila ikendu mentan bat ngin sadon ke jingi kendu menta ngila up ikinong rep o ikinong khayi bagin ya kendu ikinong khayi bagin take up ikani ke issue khnang bakin so thu ya ke ka ba ngila penmi na kadang ke jungi bakam de issue bandon ka jing od kido.
So viewers, that is all we have for today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.